Now that we've added the edge flange, I want to point out a couple of features. So if I zoom in, we can see the relief cut that was made. If I edit this feature here, down here when we said to use a relief ratio of half, that's half the material thickness. So this was notched out to half the material thickness so this doesn't rip when it's bent. I'm going to zoom out, and if I flattened it, we see the flat pattern. If I come over here and I expand the cut list, here we see the flat pattern, the sheet metal part, and notice how it highlights in orange what the base flange was, the edge flange, and the entire flat pattern. I can also come down here and expand the flat pattern and expand this as well, and we'll see where our bend lines are by hovering over them. If I right click on this, I can add some bend notes. I can reorder the bends, or if I come up here and edit the feature, I can change the fixed face. So this face by default was fixed, and when it creates the flat pattern, everything is flattened to that face. If I don't like that, I can right click here and clear my selections, and I could change it to this face. And I'll say OK, and we can see the effect that has on the flat pattern. So I'm going to fold it back up, and in the next video we'll continue from there